Hello, and welcome to the Snickerdoodle Knits YouTube channel. I am Jessica, the knitter and designer behind Snickerdoodle Knits. In this video, I will demonstrate how to work garter stitch. I will start by knitting 2 rows of knit stitches. This is the start of garter stitch. Here, let's get started. I'll show you. There, we've completed 2 rows of knit stitches. Because we are working on straight knitting needles and working back and forth, this is called working flat. You will notice that when you are knitting every row, when you are working flat, every other row will have a ridge. Maybe you can see the ridge from our first row here, and then our second row of knit stitches seems to be indented more. And you can see a V shape that is formed by the knit stitches. This fabric that is created is called garter. This is a very common texture to create in knitting. To create garter, when working flat, you knit every row. If you are working in the round, you will knit one row and purl the next row and continue that pattern until you have completed your garter section. For demonstration, I'll continue this so you can see what garter stitch looks like after we've completed a few rows. There, now we have a section of worked garter stitch. Remember, garter stitch is just knitting every row when you are knitting flat. You will see that it creates these ridges between flat sections that have a V shape. Garter stitch creates a very squishy and cozy fabric. It can also feel somewhat bulky because of how squishy it is. You will notice that you can pull the fabric quite a lot because of how squished up it is and how cozy this makes it. It's that simple. You now know how to perform both the knit stitch and garter stitch. You are well on your way to becoming an expert knitter. Congratulations and happy knitting. I hope you found this video helpful, informative, and easy to follow. If you continue to have questions, go ahead and replay this video at a slower speed, or leave your questions in the comments below and I will get back to those as soon as possible. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Snickerdoodle Knits YouTube channel for additional knitting tutorial content like this. I hope to see you around. Happy knitting!